here are my thoughts on prop firms for day trading. I think they are amazing. They are great. They are one of the best things that you can actually do, I believe, because you're using somebody else's money and your risk is limited to how much you pay the prop firm, okay, for their combine. And then maybe once you pass the combine, you have to pay them a fee. But that is all you can lose. Your upside is so high that it's pretty much unlimited as long as you manage your risk. Think about this, right? When you go buy a house, you go to the bank and you give them a small deposit and they give you a big loan, okay? Your return on investment is 10x, 20x, depending how much the house goes up, right? But if you're putting up 20 grand on the $200,000 house and that house goes to 400,000, right? Or even 100,000, how much have you made, right? 100,000, 20 grand times 5, that's a 5x, okay? Because it's a return on your investment. And with prop firms, they actually take on all the risk, because if you are good and you're able to be consistent at your day trading, then they're going to have to keep paying you out more money than you've paid them for their combine and to have that account. So prop firms are amazing. Who do I recommend? I actually recommend Top Step. That's one of the companies I personally trade with, and I think they are an amazing company. I love the rules, and I just love Michael, the CEO, and the whole gang over at Top Step TV. Go check them out. You know, I don't recommend a lot of people. If I do, it means I actually am a big fan of them. And there's no endorsement. I don't have an affiliate link. It's just what they teach is amazing. And if you want to get ahead in your own day trading and you want to use somebody else's money, then prop trading is for you. And like I said, I would go check out Top Step, and they have live. I love everything they do because they're just like me, where we talk about manage your risk, okay? Trade for another day. So with that being said, make sure you guys like, subscribe to my channel, and make sure you check out my video course, Day Trading Made Easy. Links down below.